What's up, guys? It's January 17th, 2023. Oh, it's 2024. Man. Alright. Pretty good day for it was two-sided trading. The open was it was overlapped to the max. Big bear bar. Bar 1 shows continuation. Bar 2 is a bull bar but doesn't break a new high. Bar 3 is a new bear bar. Bar 4 is bull bar. Bar 5 is a bear bar. Bar 6 is a bull bar. They're all overlapping, so it's a range-bound environment for sure. Yeah, so we can see that they broke out, got 1 hour of the opening range, and kind of sold off 2 legs down. Bar 8 to bar 9 looked like a strong enough bull leg to get a second leg, and that happened and it went into the EMA with bars 12, 13, and 14. That was in this trade. Like that. And bar 19 raced to the PT and then you can get filled on bar 20. That's a leg 1, leg 2 move, or you can go from a breakout perspective. Yesterday, the EMA, I actually forgot to talk about yesterday. Yesterday, the EMA, every time it came above the EMA, it sold off. I was keeping that in mind for today. So when we got around here, I was looking to see if we could sell again, and it was a wedge top above the EMA. It looks like a failed breakout on the EMA. I didn't do this mid-trading day, and I really wish I did, because I was holding my position as bar 28 was forming. And then I realized, like, oh, yeah, we're selling. I wanted to see something, but I was waiting to make this review. Okay. So if we look at this as one big... I'm going to delete yesterday's low of the day. So that's what I wanted to see. Yeah. Remember when we measure a strong trend, if it's how deep the pullback is? My target was going to be 50% of yesterday's range or the close for the long side. I got out around here, and then because we were rejecting the EMA. And this is what I want to show you guys. Look, strong gap down with continuation, and we barely get to 30. We failed breakout on the 30% level. So this could be seen as a strong trend. And then they got continuation with 2 legs down. So that's pretty interesting. I really do wish I had that up, because at the end of the day, I'm break even today. I was up 100, down 100, up 100, down 100, and then I ended up over trading a little bit. Minus $10 on my P&L, but minus $80 with freaking commissions. So yeah, it's all good. And when I took a step back and I saw that, and I was like, wait a minute, we didn't even get to the 50% level, 50% pullback level. So it was a big gap down, and they had continuation around bar 27. It was a wedge top. Here's the wedge top, and this could become a bear flag wedge top. Got 2 legs down, leg 1, leg 2, and then leg 1, leg 2. Here. It was definitely met, and that was a super sloppy pull. It was met there, so that's really nice. You would get filled on bar 50, and then if you see this micro leg, and look, you would also get the pullback's right there. Put it to the high of this pullback. I pulled from the top here, and then put it to the high of that pullback, and you would get filled, and leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, wedge bottom. This was the bar that actually got me to break even today. I bought this close for a test of like this high, and it went zinc, and I was like, yep, I'm out. So this is also interesting. Here's another leg 1, leg 2, micro leg 1, leg 2, third push fails, leg 1, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 1, leg 2. I'm really trying to focus on leg 1, leg 2s this year, because that's all we really need to be profitable. Look, that's a good look. So if we only focus on leg 1, leg 2s today, let's see how many points we can get. Here to here, 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 and then I saw this, I'm not really a fan of taking counter trend leg 1, leg 2s, but I saw that that was a strong push. So this looks like all the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and now let's just count the points. So 7.5. Okay, that's sloppy, but here's another one, 9.5. Here's another one to the top of this. That's a good one, 16. Actually, hold on, 16 there as well. Got this one too. Really interesting day. I'm kind of annoyed how many leg 1, leg 2 moves there were, and I fumbled the bag, but you know, it is what it is. Break even's not bad at all. 7.5 plus 9.25 plus 16.25 plus 10.25 plus 16.75. Jesus, 60 points? That's insane to think about. That's $3,000 with one Emini contract, man. That is insane. I caught a lot of these leg 1, leg 2 moves, but I was just doing silly things. Yeah. I'm really trying to focus on steering these reviews to be first 6 bars of the day. I'm still looking at gaps. I'm not really talking about them, but I'm sure you guys can see these gaps here. You know, first 6 bars of the day, micro trend lines, breakouts, and leg 1, leg 2s. If you guys have been in the Brook's price action room, they're really harping on that. And because look, these are all gaps, by the way. That could be a green gap. It's insane that 60 points if you were able to catch every leg 1, leg 2 move. Here's a trend line break, 2-bar reversal. I had to make today a quick one. I've been running around all day. I mean, you can do the overall time frame. Whew. Daily time frame's not looking too good for the bulls. Well, honestly, it's a bull flag. Push up, bull, push, push. This could be a higher low if this next bar gets painted a bull bar. This could be a head and shoulders reversal, or we could break down and see what happens. The market wants lower prices. Not too good price action on the hourly chart. A lot of overlap, no price expansion. So we are definitely range bound. We've had 3 dojis. This got painted a bear bar, but it is a range bar because look at this wick here with that body. Right now, it does look like the after hours is buying the EMA. Let me just check it out super duper quick. Oh, yeah, no, the after hours is also sideways. So yeah, hope you guys are studying. Hope you guys are making money. We're halfway through the month. Use your stop loss. Keep studying. Show up to Brad's reviews. Show up. Keep studying. Drop some comments. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.